Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to discuss ANSI Z765-2021 standards, otherwise known as ANSI. This is something that's not terribly new, but it is new in the sense that Fannie Mae is now requiring appraisers to follow the square footage method for calculating this, using this standard. So the reason that we're bringing this up today is because I had some questions and I reached out to Matterport and I asked if, using the Pro 2 or the Pro 3 and ordering a floor plan, would that be considered ANSI compliant with this Z765-2021? It took them a while to get back to me, and they finally did, and they said that they've checked internally with several team members, and they do not advertise that their schematic floor plans scanned by any of the cameras are ANSI Z765-2021 compliant. So that's kind of a big thing. When you go to their website and you click on industries and then do select real estate, you'll see that there's a ton of information about, stats on how many people are viewing listings and higher sale prices and decreased time in market and all that stuff. There's not any mention of the accuracy of the floor plans. And so I don't know if it's a fully known fact, but Cubicasa is the company that provides all of the floor plans for Matterport. So when you're logged into Matterport and you order a schematic floor plan, I think it's around $14.99 or something. Cubicasa is the one that drafts that and delivers it. This is interesting because Cubicasa has their own app, and if you use their app and generate a floor plan, these are ANSI compliant. And you can understand that by clicking, going to their website, clicking on For Appraisals. And when you do that, right at the top, it says ANSI Z765 support. There's some information down here that includes, or that talks about that. You get a PDF report including ANSI aligned GLA floor plans and area calculations. The free floor plan doesn't include any furniture, and it doesn't include GLA. But if you add on a GLA report and add on furniture, you're looking at around $30 for a typical floor plan. So it's a little more than Matterport, and what I suspect is Matterport might be getting a discount from them. Obviously, if they're only charging $14.99 or whatever their fee is, they're getting a little bit of a discount. Maybe by not including GLA measurements and stuff like that. If I click on add-ons when I'm in Matterport and I go to get the floor plan, it is $14.99. So Matterport might be getting a deal, like I said, but not getting the GLA information. It would be nice if Matterport committed themselves to saying that they are ANSI compliant. iGuide, for example, is another 3D tour platform, and iGuide is ANSI compliant. And I'm not sure if it says it on their website. We'll scroll down here, and yep, here it is. Accurate ANSI Z765-2021, and RECA RMS floor plans and area calculations. So this is a big thing. Fannie Mae is requiring this starting April 1st. And we can go into their requirements in another video. Actually, we'll look right here. Why is Fannie Mae requiring appraisers to follow the square footage? Valuations of residential property correlate strongly with gross living area, or GLA. Yet historically, there has been a substantial inconsistency in how appraisers determine it. Our adoption of the ANSI standard provides a professional and defensible method for the appraiser. It allows transparent and repeatable results for consumers of appraisal reports, and it creates alignment across market participants. One key factor in our decision to adopt the ANSI standard is the recent emergence of new technologies, such as phone apps, which can measure houses, generate floor plans, and calculate GLA. In addition, the desktop appraisal option requires a floor plan. Since appraisers are not inspecting the property personally for the desktop appraisal, we anticipate they will commonly receive the floor plan from a third party. So it makes sense that all parties, including the appraiser, would be using the same standard of measurement. ANSI is a standard that technologies can build to, other parties, such as real estate agents, can anticipate, and appraisers can create or consume with confidence. Many appraisers have voluntarily adopted the standard since its first launch in April of 1996. Some states require appraisers to adhere to it, and it is used by some tax assessors. It closely parallels common appraiser practices, so adoption for many appraisers has been seamless. So, that's interesting. We at Sparks Media Group offer iGuide 3D tours. We offer Matterport. We offer floor plans. So you don't have to get a virtual tour. You can just get a floor plan. And I just find it interesting that Matterport won't commit to saying that they're compliant when the processor of their floor plans, which is Cubicasa, is compliant. So anyway, give me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. If you find it interesting, feel free to subscribe, share it. I would appreciate it. But yeah, I'd like to hear all comments about what you think about this. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.